guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, after learning how to plan our plumbing system like what we did on our last video, so this time around we're going to design the plumbing system for our for our level 1 plumbing plan design, okay, in this commercial building. So including the plumbing fixtures, sanitary piping, vent, and hot and cold water piping. So you will be learning how to place sanitary plumbing fixtures, create the sanitary plumbing system, create piping to connect sinks to the sanitary system, and then add a sanitary and vent stack to the system, and then creating the cold water system and add piping to physically connect the fixtures to the system. And then we are also going to learn how to create the hot water system, add a hot water heater, and create a piping to physically connect the sinks to the hot water system. So in this first exercise, we are going to add two toilets, one urinal, and a floor drain to the level 1 men's room here, this area here. And then we're going to place three sinks in the later exercise. But for now, on our first exercise for designing a plumbing system, we are just going to add sanitary plumbing fixtures. All right, so let's get started. So I'm just gonna zoom in to this area here. Okay, so as you can see, if I click this space here, so this space, that is our male space. Okay, so this is where we are going to place our plumbing fixtures. So as you can see, we already have some guidelines here. So we already have detail lines for our guide for us to be able to place the plumbing fixtures. Okay, so let's do that. So I'll just go to the Systems tab, and then from the plumbing and piping, so you can see here the plumbing fixture. So you just need to click that one. And then as you can see, there are already loaded families in this project. Now, if you want to know where is the location of this plumbing fixture, you can just go to the mode and then select load family. And then after that, okay, let's just wait. Just click load family. Okay, just go to the library and then that's it. Just go to the plumbing and go to the MEP, and then you can go to the fixtures, and then here are the fixtures. Like for example, the toilets, right? So you just go to the water closets. Okay, and then these are the water closets, and then these are the urinals, and so on and so forth. Okay, but in this exercise, it's already loaded in our project. So I'm just showing you the location of that family. Okay, so I'll just close this one. And then here in our men's room, so it is partitioned for two toilet stalls, one wall-mounted urinals, and three sinks. Okay, so based on our reference lines here, right? Okay, so let's get started. So just selected here the wall-mounted public 1.6 GPF. Okay, and then from the placement panel, so we have three options here. So we have place on vertical face, place on face, and then place on work plane. Since we are gonna place that on our wall, so make sure that the placement here is place on vertical face. Okay, and we are now going to place our toilet. So let's say I'm gonna place one here. Okay, if ever you didn't exactly place that on that reference line, although it's very simple. Let's say, for example, you click here and then you want that to be aligned there. Just use the align tool. Okay, so just terminate the tool by selecting the modify and then just go to the modify. So there's the align tool. You can also type AL if you want to do the shortcut. So just click the align tool and then select the line reference and then just select the center of your plumbing fixture, of your toilet. Okay, that's it. And then just select here modify. Okay. And then we're going to place another one here. So I can click this. I have several ways for me to be able to place another toilet here. It's either I copy this by selecting, copy, make sure constraint is turned on. So you can click here, then you can pick, right? So another way, I'm just going to undo that, is of course, just click your toilet, right click, create similar, and then just hover your pointer to the wall, align that to that detail line. Okay, and then just click. There you go. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to place a wall-mounted urinal. Again, the category of the wall-mounted urinal is plumbing fixture. So I just need to go to the systems and then I just need to select plumbing fixture. Okay, since we are always using plumbing fixtures, or most of the time we use the plumbing fixtures in our project. So you might want wanting to create a plumbing fixture shortcut on your quick access toolbar. So I'll just right click the plumbing fixture and then I'll just select add to quick access toolbar. Just select that one so that it's now here. So even though you are in the insert tab, at least you can still select your plumbing fixture just in case you need that. Okay, so just click the plumbing fixture and then let's look for our urinal wall hang. Okay, so I'm just gonna select here the 3/4 inch flash bulb. Just click that one and then I'm gonna place it. Wait, it should be here. Okay, so I'm gonna place it here, sorry. So I place it there and then I select modify. Okay, so this toilet should be on this line here. So I'll just align that. So align, let's tab to select the center line. Okay, there you go. And then there's our other line there. Okay, click that, then click, there you go. All right, okay. So we now have our two toilets and then our urinal. And then the next thing that we're going to do for the last part of this exercise, or the last plumbing fixture of this exercise, is we're going to place a floor drain. Okay, so let's select a floor drain. So again, plumbing fixture, click the type selector. Let's look for the floor drain. Okay, so here's the floor drain. So we will be using here what 5 by 5 inch by 2 inches drain, strainer and 2 inches drain. So just click that one, and then for this one, we're not going to place that on our wall. So we're not gonna use the place on vertical face. So this time I'm gonna select here place on face. Okay, so I click this one, and let's say I'm just gonna place it, let's say somewhere here. So just click that and then just select your modify. Okay, if you want to have an exact distance for your drain, let's say for example from this line here, so you can click again the drain and then you can see there's a temporary dimension there. So if you want 1 foot, so I just click that and then I just type 1, enter. So that's 1 foot. And then let's say here as well, so I click that one, so I type 1 and then enter. Okay, right. Okay, next. Okay, so after we place all the plumbing fixtures that we needed at the moment for this exercise, let us try to expand or observe the system browser. Okay, so the system browser, you know that already from the previous exercise. You can just right click and then you can select the browsers here, and then you can select the system browser. Just select that one, and then here's now our system browser. I place it here at the bottom. Although your system browser, you can drag that and then you can combine that to your properties here, just like that. Just drag. So there's your system browser. Okay, so you can change the systems here to zones, analytical system, but we need the systems, and for the discipline, I only need the plumbing, the piping. So I select the piping, and then you will notice here if I'm going to expand the unassigned folder here. So as you can see, all the elements that doesn't belong to a system, it will be going to the unassigned folder. So we have 7 items here. So let's expand this one. Click, click. So we have a domestic, and then we have sanitary here. So for the domestic cold water, we have the urinal connector, and then we also have the domestic cold water connector from the water closet, and then the other water closet as well. And then for the sanitary, we have connectors for the floor drain, and then we have connectors for the urinal as well, and for the 2 water closet here. Okay, so the default system, or this unassigned folder, this contains the fixtures that we have placed. So the fixtures are included in the unassigned folder based on the connectors, as you can see here, based on the connectors included with the components like sanitary connectors and cold water connectors. Okay, so that's it for this simple exercise. On our next video, we're going to learn how to create a sanitary system. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.